dollar will it take for a G35 to beat a scat pack, stock for stock?
Hey, throw that motherfucker.
Bro, shit, I'm hungry too. Hold up, starving, bro. Look at that. Genesis Coupe. No front plate still. But you know, it's whatever. I just parked it. Hopefully it's still warm. Came home like an hour ago, but now I'm hungry. Is it still warm? Ah, it's warm enough. It's 2 a.m. and I'm hungry because I'm a fat ass. I lied. I did not eat all day. Came home from work, still didn't eat. I think I deserve some nice food. Are we warm? I think we're warm enough. Let's go. Windows down. I feel bad for the people living on top. Cause they have to hear that. Ah, nah, it's so much fun driving this car though. Hey, quick scan. We out of here, bro. Come on, I'm hungry. The goal is to be home in 30 minutes. Not even 30 minutes. I think we can make it 15 minutes. I'm just worried about cops. Whew. Yo, I grinded my gears there. What the fuck? I don't know why, but sometimes when the car is cold, I think this is common sense. When the car is cold and I'm banging gears, I end up grinding them. I don't know if that's normal or if that's like my clutch about to go. Hopefully it's not my clutch about to go, cause like that is not good. Putting the windows down. Whew. We are waking up the neighborhood. I don't know if it sounds that loud because my windows are down. By the way, there's no AC in here. Didn't decide to fix it. Decided to get an exhaust instead. But what I was trying to say is, oh wait, we gotta go down this road. We gotta go down this road. Hold on, bro. Let's just downshift again. I love flooring here. It's because of the buildings beside each other. It makes like this tunnel sound effect. You guys don't care. What was I gonna say? I was saying something. I forgot what I was saying. Yeah, this car has no AC. I decided to get an exhaust instead. Still worth it. I don't care. Even though it was like the hottest summer in Toronto, but still worth it. Usually, right before midnight, the gas prices are like perfect, bro. It's like 119, 116 sometimes. I even saw 112 before. The average gas price here is like 125 on a good day. For now, for this year. Before it used to be like 160. Holy, I'm glad I didn't have a Genesis then. Premium would have killed me. It would have hurt my pockets. But we can take this. But yeah, like the gas prices, they're getting better. But right now, that is not good. Oh, there's a bump. Where's the bump at, bruh? I think it's over here. You guys saw what I saw? It's a small tunnel. We can slow it down. 1 also one of my favorite roads. It's like twisty and windy. Like, look at that. That's just pure scenery. I just hope there's no cop sitting anywhere, bro. That's my worst fear. That's my biggest fear, actually. Just getting a cop on the side. Because lately, these cops have been try-hardy, bro. They be trying way too hard to get you in trouble. Windows down over here, too. Take a right over here. That's uphill. You know what that means. You gotta downshift to the lowest gear. This is at least a 40-degree angle right there. Imagine traffic. Oh my god. Traffic on a 40-degree angle on manual. I don't think I'm ready for that yet. I just can't wait till winter, bro. I'm gonna be sliding in this thing. I'm not keeping... Oh, I thought he was gonna take that. What I was saying was, I do not plan on keeping this in the garage in the winter. We are taking this thing out. We're doing donuts. My burbles are getting louder and louder. I don't know if that is a good thing or a bad thing. Yeah, like, I might have to get that checked out. They've been sounding a little too loud. And without a tune, that does not feel right. Now I'll just check with one of my Genesis boys. Or you guys can let me know if you guys have Genesis coupes. We are actually getting some Osmos right now. That's what we got off the couch for. This is the only Osmos open in the area in the nearest, I think, 15, 20 minute, 20 kilometer radius. So I am gonna park right here because it's late night. Who really cares, bro? Parking right beside. There we go. And you guys are gonna see me with the food in my hands, just like this, in 3, 2, 1. Alright, boys. So we got the food. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys what I drove all this for, bro. Oh, that looks so good, bro. I'm gonna mash this up when I go home. We are speeding home, bro. Hey, just in case any cops watching this, I did not speed on the way home. I promise. Drive off now. We should have went the other way, but it's okay. Come on, make it go green. Oh, there we go. Perfect. We taking this for you. I love hearing the turbo, man. It always makes me smile. Like, the best thing about this road is that there can't be any cop hiding here. Think about it. A curb there on my left and a curb on my right. Now, what I gotta do is slow down over here because obviously it's an intersection. There could be a cop over there or over there. But so far, cars that have beat me are a stage 1 G35, stage 1 350Z, IS 250s I walk, IS 350s I walk, TSXs, gapped. What other cars? Man, there's many cars that I have won against. G35 stock, I have won somehow. Even though on paper, it does have more horsepower than me. I don't get that. What other cars? And then after that, just Corollas and other cars. But, oh, I think this is a slight tunnel right here. That was nice. I think that's the gas station. Yup, what I say, guys, 118. That is so beautiful. Wow. I mean, yeah, it's from Esso, but like, what am I gonna do, bro? I am not paying 135 for gas. Come on. I'm okay with the 119. I'll pump for 20. Wake up in the morning. I'll go to Shell, give it some nice gas. And what I've noticed is when I pump with Shell on the Genesis Coupe, the pops on stock without tune is actually crazy. I'll do it in another video. I'll show you guys the difference between me pumping at petrol or me pumping at, what's another good one? Petrol, I can't think of any other one, but we gotta go. But yeah, there is a huge difference between me pumping Shell and me pumping anything else. Shell actually gives me a big pop. Alright though, boys, we are at the gas station. I think I'm gonna finish off the video here. Yeah, we got our Osmos because we were hungry while scrolling on TikTok. Last video did good because I was talking in it apparently, so I think you guys like that. If you guys want me to shut up and just drive, let me know. I'll do that too. Comment on what you want to see next from me. Drifting, I can try drifting in the parking lot, I think. I don't know. Just let me know what you guys want me to do. Where you want me to go. Maybe downtown. I'll go downtown next video. Why not? Let's get this video to, let's say, 10 likes. Fuck it. 10 likes. Come on, guys. We can do it. Alright, though. See you guys next week. Bye-bye.